Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines about summer season. Summer season is the hottest season of the year. It falls between spring and autumn. The summer season has long days and short nights. The days are sunny and bright. We get to relax completely during the afternoons during summers. Summer is also the season of fruits like mangoes, oranges, and watermelons. We enjoy having cool drinks and eating ice creams during the hot summer days. We usually wear cotton clothes in summer season. Children love this season because it is the season of vacations, picnic and fun. People mostly use air cooler and air conditions in summer season. People like to visit cold places and hill stations.